Guys, it's us, the Sage Family Adventures, and today we're going to cook the Ginataang halo-halo or Binignit in Bisaya. So we have here the sticky rice balls. I put a purple yam there, mix it, and then the white sticky rice balls, bananas, sweet potatoes, here sweet potatoes too, and brown sugar. I don't have a taro or purple yam, so I have a yucca root here, jackfruit, then of course the tapioca, and coconut milk. So I'll show you the water, guys. So I put 3 cups of water in the pot, guys, and it's now boiling. So I'm going to start cooking, and let's go ahead put our sweet potato. And yucca roots. Then we'll be right back when it's done. So this is the sweet potato and yucca root, guys. Looks like half cooked. So we're gonna put now the plantain, bananas. So see you in a bit. Time to put the coconut milk, guys. So let's go ahead and put it. And I have 2 cups, 2 cans rather. So I'll go ahead and show you later how it looks like. Here it is, guys. I mixed already the coconut milk here. So I have a sugar here, 1 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna put it. Then later, it's boiling now, so it's time to put the sticky balls. So you will know if the sticky balls is done when it floats after 5 minutes. So that's the purple balls. This one is the white balls. So see you in a bit. You also need to put the jackfruit, guys. Before I forget the jackfruit. So see you after 5 minutes. It's done, guys. It's floating. 5 minutes is finished. So we're gonna put the tapioca first. So we cook earlier. There you go. Oops. Last but not the least. So I need to remove the soup. I'll see you in a. Here's the finished product of our ginataang halo-halo, guys, or binignit in Bisaya. So here it is. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and please kindly tap the bell button to be notified in our next vlog. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.